Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and right now we're going to be unboxing the Pioneer DJ HDJ-X5. The reason why I'm changing headphones is because my audio Technica ATH-M30X just broke. It's no longer working and it's faulty, so I need a new headphones for my production. The reason why I chose this headphones over studio monitoring headphones is because I need an all-rounder. I listen to a bunch of genres of music. I listen to metal and electronic music because I also need to hear the low frequencies, so I chose this. This DJ headphones has a frequency range of 5 Hz to 30,000 Hz. It says here that it's military grade. It says that this headphone has military grade certification. I chose this silver color over the black one. Okay, so you can see the box. There's a box inside the box. It says deeper connection. Okay, so we open it and we'll see what's inside. Covering there's this operation manual. It's the printed manual. And this is the pouch, the carry case. This is a soft leather. It feels like leather, but I know it's not genuine leather. Okay, we'll take this off. We'll put this away. Oh, and there it is. There's the headphones. It's a coiled jack cable. The cable is actually quite heavy. And this is the adapter, the 1/4 inch adapter, the gold-plated 1/4 inch adapter. Plug to the headphone. And this is the silver color of the HDJ-X5. I didn't expect this to be that light. I thought it was heavy, but it looks good. Although the headphone doesn't weigh much and it's light, it still looks sturdy and has a nice feel to it. The ear cups can swivel like a typical DJ headphones should be. You can fold it just like any DJ headphones. This one is also foldable and you can adjust the size. There's a metal frame inside. It looks like aluminum. Pads are very soft. They feel comfortable to the touch. When you adjust the size of the headband, it clicks and you can hear it. Okay, so we plug the headphone jack. Fits firmly. When you plug the headphone jack from the ear cup, it snaps, so you will know it is securely plugged. Okay, so this is it. This is my headphones that I'm gonna be using on my production. I'm gonna be using these headphones for my music production, for listening music, and some mixing, I guess, pre-mastering, and I'll see how it goes, how will these headphones will last. And if you're new here, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.